Hi, I'm Sue Hitzmann, creator of the MELT Method, and I'm excited to help you resolve your pain problems and achieve a healthy, active, pain-free life with my online self-care course. When pain is chronic, I always say, why manage your pain when you can eliminate it? If you've been searching for ways to eliminate persistent pain problems or improve a chronic health issue beyond using medication, or you're simply looking to add a restorative program to your fitness routine to reduce your chances of repetitive stress injuries, joint pain, and muscle imbalances, you've come to the right place. The MELT Self-Care course will introduce you to the fundamental techniques and pain relief treatments from the MELT Method book that have been clinically proven to work for people of all ages and fitness levels to facilitate repair of muscle strains, improve flexibility, joint stability and mobility, and eliminate a wide array of pain problems and stress-related issues. In each of the 5 modules, you'll learn a new set of techniques you can integrate into your daily self-care practice. And by the end of the course, you'll know how to create your own self-care plan to resolve your pain problems once and for all. I'm going to guide you step by step through this simple self-care process that can literally give you back your life, make real changes, and create lasting results. We're in this together, and regardless of how your pain started or how long it's persisted, we're going to resolve it. MELT has helped thousands of people with these common pain problems, and it'll help you too. In this course, you'll learn what's missing from your daily self-care and exercise routine, and how to treat your neurofascial system, the stability system of your body. I'll teach you how to alleviate chronic aches and pains in your hands and feet, lower and upper body and spine, and release stuck stress in your neck and low back. You'll practice gentle treatments that calm your nervous system and reduce stress and anxiety, and I'll also teach you how to improve athletic performance so you can keep doing the things you love to do. I'll also simplify cutting-edge neurofascial science so you understand why fascia is so important and how to restore its supportive qualities to alleviate your chronic pain symptoms. And by the end of the course, you'll know the foundational MELT treatments using the MELT roller and hand and foot kit. And you'll be able to create your own customized self-treatment plans to address your specific health and fitness goals. And here's the best part. Once you buy the course, you have lifetime access to all the videos and resources within it. So you can return to it anytime you want to review a technique or brush up on your self-care skills. I can't wait for you to dive into the course so you can restore your resilience, longevity, and active life. You're one click away from transforming your life for years to come. Let's get started. Happy melting.